That is Miami International. Wow.
I'm on my way to Opa-locka Airport right now in Miami, KOPF. We're gonna be taking a Cessna 172. We're gonna fly northbound to Boca Raton, actually, which is KBCT. And we're gonna do probably a bunch of touch and goes there, and then fly back to the Miami area, probably over midfield Fort Lauderdale, so I'm gonna request flight following. The interesting thing about this flight is that it's all in the vicinity of Miami and Fort Lauderdale airspace. So we're going to be in touch with controllers all the time. We're going to be talking to them, a lot of communication going on. And then we're going to do one more touch and go at Miami Airport, which is KTMB, and then back to Opa-locka. Pre-flight inspection is complete. What we're going to do now is we're going to start her up, and then we're going to taxi out and get out of here. So what I'm doing right now is I'm using my ForeFlight actually. Mixture is full rich, so let's give that a check. The carb heat is in, and master switch, I'm going to turn that on right now. And the beacon, let's turn that on as well. It's a nice and warm day out, so I'm just going to give it 2 pumps. That should be enough. And then let's give it a little bit of throttle for the startup. Clear prop!
Opa-locka Tower, information 01449 Zulu observation, wind 1707, weather is better than 5005, temperature 31, dew point 23, altimeter 3007.
Flight instruments are all set. I got the altimeter set, I got my GPS set to Boca Raton actually. Oil pressure is looking good, oil temperature is coming up, we got a positive rate of charge. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to run the magneto check, fuel selectors in both mixtures full rich. I'm going to go to 1700 RPM. Left magneto, there's a drop, back to both. Right magneto, there's a drop, back to both.
Cessna 64465 Opa-locka Tower, runway 27 right, clear for takeoff.
27 right, clear for takeoff, 465. And coming up, 55, rotate. Welcome back. We're getting into Boca right now, requesting touch and goes. We're going to do a right downwind runway 23. And already checked in with tower and everything. They're ready for us. We're descending here to 1000 traffic pattern altitude. Make sure it's full rich. Fuel selectors are both. Landing lights are on. nav and beacon on. And pre-landing check was complete. Alright, flips are coming up, car feet in. Alright, check this out. There's midfield Fort Lauderdale, we're right there.
Do you want to go midfield Miami at 35? Or are you going to go to shoreline and low level?
We're going to do midfield Miami at 35, 465. And that is Opa-locka right there. That is Miami International right there. Freaking cool.
1, contact Miami Center, 133.85.
3385, Victor 201.
Number 23, Victor Juliet, descend and maintain 2000, and I'll turn to the south here.
That is Miami International. Wow.
Vector 761, 2000, Carmen 5000. 250, 2000, that was clear, or now 27, approach 23, Victor Juliet.
Number 23, Victor Juliet, contact KMIA 118.9.
89, 23, Victor Juliet, good job.
761, flighting 180, climb maintain 16,000.
180, 16,000, American.
All right, that was really cool. So that was right over midfield, Miami International, actually. I don't get that on a regular basis, so that was really, really cool. And now we're cleared touch and go 27 right at KMIA, actually. That's the last touch and go we're going to do, and then we're going back to Opa-locka.
November 465, after your touch and go northwest is approved.
After the touch and go northwest, it's approved 465.
All right, and flaps up. Car Pete's coming in. Flaps are coming up, and let's get out of here. There's 50, and there is 55. Let's go.
All right, there you go. That is it. Hope you enjoyed this one. I had a lot of fun flying over Miami International, actually. That was cool. Other than that, I think that's a wrap. Hope you enjoyed the video. Cheers.